After the latest strike in the Kherson region, it's almost like Russia just can't safely store mountains of ammo and missiles in Ukraine anymore. Ukrainian Operational Command South reported that they killed 20 Russian troops and destroyed 2 armored vehicles, the communication center of the 98th Guards Airborne Division in Kherson's Oblast, and an ammunition depot in Novovoskresensk. The Ukrainian military didn't specify the weapon that was used in this attacks, but it's more than probable that the US HIMARS are used in this strikes. But on the previous 24 hours, the region of Kherson was targeted on several occasions. The important Antonivsky Bridge, which is made inoperational for Russian forces due to relentless attacks, is hit again. In Dnipro near Kherson, Russian air defenses tried and failed to hit incoming HIMARS GMRLMS rounds. Ukraine's tactics towards Kherson are now clear. Ukrainian forces will not launch a mass counterattack against well-fortified Russian positions and expose themselves to superior Russian artillery. Instead, the Ukrainians use a clever tactic of wearing down Russian units with constant attacks on their warehouses, bridges and infrastructure. Thus, the Russian forces are left without ammunition and without reinforcements, and thus Ukraine will eventually force the Russians to withdraw from Kherson on their own if they do not want to be encircled. A similar tactic was used on Snake Island, and when the Russians left that location, it effectively lifted the blockade from Odessa and enabled the export of Ukrainian grain. The Russians are trying to compensate for the weaknesses in their strategy, lying that they deliberately stopped the offensive to avoid civilian casualties, while in reality they ran out of ammunition and fuel. And they are also trying to achieve some kind of progress in Donbass, but these are very small advances that the Russians are paying dearly for.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.